Hi Gemini, welcome to my channel, and we are here to do your reading for second half of June. So let's begin. I've already shuffled the cards, and before I start, I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude for all those who are supporting the channel, whichever way they are guided to. Thank you so much for all the subscribers and the new ones who are adding on. I so appreciate the support. Thank you, and thank you. And we've got the first card for you, Gemini, which is a little conflicting. And here we have the Five of Suns, which is like the Five of Wands. So here there is a little conflict which I'm sensing, which you are going through. Now, here this deck is a little different, as I always say that I've just started to use it on YouTube a lot, kind of from a month or two back. And here with this conflict, as you can see, you are finding it difficult to choose your path. You are kind of in the state of confusion. I don't think it's much of the outer conflict, but then see, you can, if you see that there is this papal figure who's kind of taken off this headgear, whatever you call it, I don't know, and kind of chasing or kind of holding this half animal, half human kind of figure, and looking at it, don't know whether to kind of wear that headgear back or lead this lead this creature. So I'm just kind of picking on that you are little bit on this lost side of your side, wherein you're not been getting those clear messages or clear guidance as to where or which way you should go. You are kind of in the conflicted state is what I'm picking on in the second half. And this could be the scene. There's a collective energies which are also very kind of not very I would say because of these eclipses, because of these retrogrades, there could be some amount of it which is kind of hitting you as well, but then nothing really is there to worry, because the next what we've got on the card is the Ace of Suns, which is again another sun card. You don't really need to worry. You will be getting the guidance because sun is shining, which is talking about bringing you new beginnings, new fresh starts, new beginnings. It is also that you know that there is this germination of new ideas which are happening for you here, Gemini. So nothing really is for you to worry. And this is your birthday month, so wishing you all a very happy birthday as well. And if your birthday is falling in month of June, so don't you worry, you are getting these fresh, new, brilliant ideas which will lead you to the direction which will be very different and new for you. But you also need to keep in mind that you need to let go those confusions and follow your guidance and walk through that dark patch and towards the light, because you will get the guidance. All you need to do, it's a card of action, so you need to move forward fearlessly, go forward, pick that path and end that confusion and walk on that new journey. It may yield to a very fresh and a new beginning for you here, Gemini. Let's see what is the third card. And I've already done the overall June, so you can kind of get onto that reading, check that reading for you here, Gemini, because this I'm doing just a little sneak peek which I do at the mid-month. Now here it is, what we're getting is the moon, so which is about your emotions here. So now after these actions and the confusion, there is some amount of play. We are emotional beings, so everything is kind of plays in our emotions, so that is happening for you as well here. But one thing which you need to keep in mind with this, it is the wish fulfillment. It is the kind of that you can see the kind of support which you're getting. There are people who are around you to help you, to serve you, to kind of get you what you want. You are kind of attracting that, so stay positive, stay with your emotions, keep them on the high vibe, and you are getting the wishes fulfillment with this new beginning which is lining up for you. So that's what the quick sneak peek says. I'll add one more layer to it, so see what the further messages are coming forth. Let's see what is happening. Okay, I've got See, you're feeling pretty burdensome in you've been carrying this burden for really long, and you really are confused as to for how long you have to carry this burden, and you are kind of feeling that you've been carrying out it all alone. But it's a good sign. This is a 10. That means this is the end of this confusion. This is the end of this I would say end of this journey, or end of this cycle, end of this burdensome, worrisome, heavy phase of your life, and end of this confusion. So that is a good sign. But you would have felt in the beginning of the month probably that burdens which you felt, is kind of feels heavy at times, and you didn't want to do that. It got upturned is Sun. That's beautiful. That's your card as well, Gemini. This is also the Leo, because Sun is in Gemini right now. And we've got another one, which is the Page of Swords. So that's interesting, because this is about the messages. This is about the new beginning, fresh starts as well. And this new beginning is bringing forth the sun. And we've got the that's not a sun card, but there is a bright sun in there as well. So sun is a very positive card to have. It is kind of talking about you really don't have to worry about anything, Gemini, because things are shining bright and nice for you. You really don't have to worry. Just kind of surrender and move to your inner guidance and take the path which you need to. There are messages. You might feel like an apprentice, which is fine. This new path, maybe you have never ventured on this kind of journey before, and this is a brand new path for you. It's a brand new, maybe you kind of knew or felt like taking that path, but you never walked on it. You have a mental image of it, but no physical or the material experience of walking on this road. But that's fine. So hence you may feel like Page, or you may feel like an apprentice, or you may feel like a new maybe you need to know more, learn more, etc. But there's nothing really need to be worried about, because your wishes, this new beginning will light up the way and bring forth your wishes which are coming true for you. So though we started on with the confusion, but we're not closing with that. So this is a nice thing. Let me see what Archangel Michael, or Romance Angel. So once one card fell down, let me see what it is. Yeah, it says Archangel Michael. Ask Archangel Michael to help you with the situation. So again, Archangel Michael card came up, which is kind of coming forth as a confirmation for you, stating that you don't really need to be worried about anything. You just need to ask Archangel Michael. He wants to help you, and he will take you through the situation ahead. So don't you worry about anything here, Gemini. It's really wonderful and brilliant. So good. I think I was little kind of wondering as to how we'll move forth with that 5, but then it turned out to be really nice. Let me also get one guidance message. Oh wow, that kind of flipped really quick. Guidance message for you in the month. Let's see what angels wants to see. Yeah, that's nice. It says beauty, and it says the outer world is a reflection of your inner. So focus on the beauty within yourself, your good qualities, your kindness, your gifts and talents. Remember that whatever you give attention to increases and grows. Everyone has some beauty in their soul, so seek it in others. Remind them of their qualities, and you will illuminate them. Surround yourself with things and people with a beautiful vibration, for we all are influenced by that which is around us. As you tune more and more into the incredible wonder of yourself, others, and the planet, your resonance becomes that of beauty. Others will perceive the radiance of your soul and be touched by it. I recognize my beauty and that of others. That's the affirmation which you can use. So that's a quick one for you, and thank you so much once again. I so appreciate your support. I really want to extend my heartfelt gratitude. I'm also open for private readings. You can write to agnya@gmail.com. That's been mentioned in the description box below, and we can take it ahead from there. So thank you so much once again. Spread love and be happy.